This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet for CPE. First, let's get started by setting up your wallet. Trust Wallet is a fantastic, secure, and decentralized mobile wallet that supports a vast array of digital assets, including CPE, across more than 70 blockchains. It's crucial to download the official Trust Wallet application from your device's app store to ensure authenticity and security. This initial step is vital for safeguarding your digital assets. Now, let's add your CPE tokens. Open your Trust Wallet app and locate the plus icon, usually in the top right corner, to add a custom token. It's important to select the correct network, which for CPE is the BNB Smart Chain. Next, carefully paste the official CPE contract address, 0x41DF31FF0A7C352EB927522F2A5C87C3A9C109F8. The token details, including the symbol CPE and 18 decimals, should auto-populate. Confirm these details to complete the addition. Managing your CPE tokens is straightforward. To receive CPE, simply select the token from your wallet list and tap the Receive button. Your unique wallet address will be displayed, which you can share with the sender. When sending CPE, select the token, tap Send, then input the recipient's wallet address and the desired amount. Always double-check the recipient's address and ensure you are on the correct network before confirming any transaction to prevent irreversible loss. Finally, let's talk about security. Your recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet. Never share it with anyone and store it securely offline. Scammers often create fake contract addresses, so always verify CPE official contract address from trusted sources. Remember, you'll need a small amount of BNB, the native token of the BNB Smart Chain, in your wallet to cover transaction fees, also known as gas fees. Stay vigilant and protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.